Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of the Ferrari Store. So let me take you to the website, which is store.ferrari.com. Now, who doesn't know about them? They're pretty famous out there, but still there are a few people who might not be aware of their official store. So the Ferrari Store is the official online destination for Ferrari fans, offering a wide range of exclusive apparel, accessories, and collectibles inspired by the iconic brand. Designed with the same passion, precision, and performance as Ferrari cars, this store brings the luxury and racing spirit of Ferrari to your lifestyle. Explore the latest Ferrari merchandise for men, women, and kids, and experience the essence of Italian excellence through every product they sell on their store. So, what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all the amazing products, and buy anything for yourself if you like. But that's not exactly why we're here. As usual, we're here to earn money from the store. Possible? Why not? Simply join their affiliate program, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you will end up getting commission. So the affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program, no restrictions found. So regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of the affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to receive commission? No restriction there as well. So long as you're bringing sales to them, the legit sales, you should be able to get the commission. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website of Flex Offers. Now, what is Flex Offers and what does that have to do with the Ferrari store? Flex Offers is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must create an affiliate account with the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of the Ferrari store, we should be creating an affiliate account with Flex Offers first. Now, Flex Offers calls affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers, so don't get confused. How do you create an account with them? Simply click on Get Started from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here within Publisher and Affiliate section, click on Sign Up. It will take you to this page. Over here, complete all these steps from here and get yourself a free affiliate account with Flex Offers. Now I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Flex Offers affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from the video, and get yourself an affiliate account with Flex Offers. Once you have an account with them, come to the website once again. This time, hover over Login and click on Publisher Login. This will take you to something called Affiliate Dashboard or the Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just the Ferrari, but the focus of the video is just the Ferrari Store affiliate program. So how do you find their affiliate program? For that, you can look at the left-hand side menu bar, bring your mouse here and click on Advertiser. Within here, you can click on Advertiser Search. It will take you to this page. Over here within Advertiser Search, simply type in Ferrari and select the name from here, followed by click on Search. When you do that, you would be able to see the tile in here and you will be able to see more details about their program description, basically the affiliate program description and the payout. So you will get 3.2% of the sale amount. So whatever sale you'll be bringing to the Ferrari store, you should be getting 3.2% of that as a commission. That's awesome. And to have more details, simply click on View Program Terms. It will open up this. Over here, you can read more about it. You can click on Terms and Conditions Show, and you must read it as well for better understanding so that you abide by the terms and conditions. And after you have read it, you can just close it. And let's say you want to apply to the affiliate program. Simply select your traffic source from here and click on Apply with Selected. So I'm going to apply for my YouTube channel. I'll click here, same way you can select your traffic source, followed by click on Apply with Selected. It will open up this overlay window. Over here, you can tick mark, yes, I agree to the terms and condition above, and then click on Apply to Program. When you do that, your application to the affiliate program team of Flex Offers or the Ferrari Store would go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. How much time could it take for you to get the approval? It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time for you to get the approval from them. And once you get the approval, how would you know? You will receive an email about it, and once you receive the email, you can come to the affiliate dashboard once again, and this time click on Advertiser Search, and instead of finding Ferrari, you could find it this way as well. Otherwise, you can look at Application Status and click on Approve, followed by click on Search. When you do that, you would be able to see all your approved brand, including Ferrari. And once you have been approved, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. So how do you create your tracking link? For that, you can come to the homepage of the Flag Software dashboard once again and scroll down till you see this section, quick link generator. Over here, once you have been approved, you would be able to see Ferrari name here. But just for the demo purpose, I'm going to select Puma and I'm going to go with Puma USA. And then followed by that, you have to select the traffic source and you have to enter the landing page URL. So let's say I want to create a tracking link for this URL. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come here. I'm going to paste the landing URL in here and then I'll click on generate. Same way you can also do that. Over here, you would be able to see your tracking link. But the problem here, I'm trying to create a tracking link for the Ferrari store using my Puma US advertiser, and that's why I'm getting this error message. In your case, you shouldn't be getting it. Assuming you're selecting the Ferrari store from here and the landing URL also belongs to the Ferrari store. Now let's say you don't want to create your tracking link, but rather you want to use your existing tracking link that is available in the dashboard. How do you do that? For that, look at the left-hand side menu bar once again, and this time click on links and link search. It will take you to this section. Over here within traffic source, you can select your traffic source. Within advertiser, you can search for Ferrari, but I'm going to go with Puma. I'm going to select Puma USA. You can select Ferrari from here, and then content type. You want to get text link, banner links, or widget. So you can try any of this. I'm going to go with the banner links just for the demo purpose. And then followed by that, you can click on search. When you do that, it should provide you all the available banner links for the Ferrari store. But in my case, I'm looking at the Puma banner links. Once you see the banner links of Ferrari, or let's say text link or the widget link, you simply can click on view link, and over here you will see the description and you will have multiple options. If you want, you can copy this tracking link. So in your case, if you'll be searching for the Ferrari store, you will be able to see the tracking link for that specific link type. You can simply copy that link and start sharing with your audience, with your traffic. And if you want HTML link, simply click on link from here and select HTML. You can also take the HTML link code and add it from the backend of your website. It could work this way. And if you only want the image of the banner, in that case, just click on image and copy the image URL. You can also try and make this a short link, add sub IDs and other options if you want to add some advanced feature to your tracking link. So this is how you can either create your tracking link or use any of the given tracking links available. Like this, you can also get the product links. And to get the product links within links, instead of clicking on link search, you can click on product search. And like how we selected the traffic source and the advertiser, same way you can select Ferrari followed by the traffic source and other details. You would be able to see the product links. You can simply click on view code and get the link code and start promoting them. So this is how you can either create your own tracking link or use the existing ones. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by flag surfers and of course for the Ferrari store, you can promote them anywhere on your website, maybe on the homepage, maybe on the category page or the event page, whatever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic, you can go with that method. The second way is blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write blog posts about different products available on the Ferrari store and put your tracking link somewhere with your blog post. So this way, when people would read it, they'll click on it, they buy it, you get commission. Third way is social media. You could also use social media. You could create reels, videos, shorts, posts, and put your tracking link over there. And people would consume your content and they'll click on the link. As usual, they buy, you get commission. Fourth way is shopping website. And a shopping website could be amazing here because people come to these kind of website to buy different products available, correct? So maybe you might want to create a section just for the luxury products. So this way when people would come to your website, they'll see the luxury button over there, they'll click on it and they'll see brands like the Ferrari store and of course other brands. And when they will click on this brand, they would be able to see the listing of the products available on their store. So you can integrate your Ferrari store product links on that section of your website and it could work in your favor. So these are some of the ways you can promote the Ferrari store. What about the performance? Let's say you started bringing sales to the Ferrari store. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the Flex Offers affiliate dashboard once again. And over here, you can choose filter, maybe select last 30 days or any of the day window from here. Or you can also use customization here by selecting start and end date accordingly. And then you would be able to see your clicks, conversion, sell amount, commission, and other details. You can also look at the trend card for better understanding. And even to get more detail, you can look at the left-hand side menu bar and this time click on reports, go to performance. Over here, select your traffic source. I'm going to go with my YouTube channel, followed by performance by date range or any of the other details, trend, and simply click on generate report. This will show you the detailed report like summary would be here. You'll see your clicks, orders, sell amount, commission, and of course, there will be more detail in here for your understanding, which you can also export if you like. Similar to this, you can also click on transaction details to see your transactions. And if you want to see your account balance, you can click on account balance. And over here, simply click on view balance, and you should be able to see your account balance. What about the commission? So all the commission that has been accumulated in your affiliate account with Flex offers, you can expect Flex offers to disperse that commission to you. And in order for you to receive the commission, you must update your payment method. And to update your payment method, you can look at the top right hand side, just beside your ID number, the account ID number, click on the drop down and click on payment settings. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can authenticate through two-factor authentication. After successful authentication, you can give your address detail in the first step. Once you're in the second step, that is payment method, you can choose your payment method. You'll have the option to select local bank transfer or wire transfer. If you select any of this, you can give your banking details. If you select check, ensure your address is up to date so that you could start getting check from Flag surfers. But in my opinion, PayPal could be great here because it would be convenient for you to get commission from Flag surfers quickly. Simply click on PayPal and give your PayPal email address. And if you like, you can also hold your payment for the time being. Once you've selected any of these payment method and given the information accordingly, you can click on next, which will then take you to the third step, that is text form selection. Over here, you can complete the details related to text form, and once that's done, it will take you to the fourth step, and that's it. You're set up to receive the commission from Flag surfers. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of the Ferrari store. You apply to them, you get approval, you bring sales to them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of the Ferrari store. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.